Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to show you what I'm bringing to the crop. I totally forgot to start filming, so I'm just going to tell you what I put in my bag. I got my heat tool, I got some baby wipes, I got some score tape, I put 6 rolls of ATG, I put a glove in there in case I want to do like mixed media stuff. I put a lens cleanser. I put this little thing where when I open a page kit, I'm going to put all my embellishments in there so they don't go all over the place. I have my photo trimmer. I have a water bottle. Of course, I have my ATG. I have all my journaling cards. I have a couple of rolly tools. I have my glossy accent, Distress Collage Medium, some Nouveau ink. I'm going to put some micro glaze in there. And these are the colors of the Nouveau drops I'm bringing. And I'm really not liking bringing these, but about half my pages, I have 0 enamel dots for it. So we're going to bring them, whether I do them there or not, we will see, but that'll go in the other container. I got my Tim Holtz stapler. Let's see where I can put that. And then I got some refills. And then I got some foam tape. Now I have a little pocket here that I can put a lot of this stuff. So I got my quick stick, I got a pen, a black and brown. That's all I'm bringing. I'm bringing my tonic scissors. I'm bringing my bigger scissors. I don't think they'll fit in there. Yes, they will. So they're in there. They go. And I got a ruler. I did bring a pencil. I'm fussy with my pencils, so I got a pencil in a case here. Let me see if it'll fit in there. If it fits in there, I'm going to put it in there. It sure does. And then I'm bringing a tool for the inks. I'll just bring this one since it's out, the sponge. So there, you know what? A white pen in case. A white pen. Let's do that. Let's put that in there. Now, when I get at the crop, I actually use my bag to hold my tripod down. So I'll tie it up with some twine and hold it down. And then I use this to put some of my stuff, you know what I mean, on the table. So I do like that. So I'm going to bring that. This is full. I'm not going to put any more in there. I think I'm bringing a little bit more than I normally do, just because like normally I wouldn't bring that. And then you'll see there's a few more things that I want to bring. Okay. So my inks, I bring all my Tim Holtz inks. And then that way it's just done. I'm going to bring some sticky dots because it's right there. So why not? And that'll fit there. And that should fit on the side. So that I'm fitting quite a bit there. I'm going to bring the brushes for the crayons. Then I want to bring some stuff to make some tags, collage tags. So I got a couple things of Distress from Tim Holtz, a few embellishments. They'll all fit in here. So it's all good. Then I have this. Then I have some collage medium and some paste. I'm only bringing one of each. Then I have all of these. This is what, I don't know where I want to put them. I'm going to try and fit them in here. I just know I have a lot of other stuff I want to put in here. I'm trying to make it so I only, bring this. But we'll see, because I want to bring my pencil crayons. And I have 2 of those. I have my mixed media tags. I have like 8 of them. That's more than I'm going to need. I'm just bringing a few templates, not big templates, just whatever will fit in here. I think I have 3. That's it. That's all I'm bringing. And then this one. Okay, Okay, I should try and find the template, right? That goes with this. Because that's not it, is it? No, I'm going to go find that template and make sure it's in here. Okay, so I found it. Ha. And then I found some more, and they're just small. So you know what? They're going to fit in here, no problem. So let's put that to the side like that. Nice and squishy. Now, I'd like to bring my embossing glaze, but I don't know if I'm going to have the room. I don't know if I'm going to have the room. Can those fit sideways? They can fit sideways. And I wanted to bring some sprays too. Usually the sprays, I put them in here. What am I going to do? And I like to put the sprays in here. You know what? I have a big bag that I usually put like the overflow. I have one of those things that you put on the side of your desk where you can put your drink, and it's a little garbage can. I think those, I'll put it in that bag because I'd rather have this that has my bottles standing up and not, you know, in a bag, just kind of wee-nilly. So I'm not going to bring a whole bunch. I'm going to bring gathered twigs. I'm going to put those in here too. I'm going to go get which sprays I want. Okay, these are the only ones I'm bringing. Ground espresso, picked raspberry, hickory smoke, picket fence, gathered twigs, rustic wilderness, salvage patina, and faded jeans. I feel like that's close to one of each color. I guess I don't have a purple. Let me get a purple. Oh my gosh, I don't have an orange. Let me get an orange, ripe persimmon, and scattered straw. Okay, now I have one of each color. Oh, you try not to bring stuff, and if I need to tweak the color, maybe I can add some white and try to tweak that color. So there's the Nouveau Drops in there. This is in there. Let's do the matte. And this, I want to bring the cheesecloth because I love putting those on tags, but I think I'll put it in the same bag as these. There's only a couple of things that's going to go in there, in that bag. It's going to be almost empty. Now this, if I think of other stuff, I still have room, right? Like this is pretty much empty. I didn't think I was going to do that well. I have to say, I didn't think I was going to do that well. How about some glue dots? Let's bring some glue dots. I think I'm happy with this. I am going to bring, oh, I just thought of something else. My watercolors. Because if I don't find the perfect color to make splatters, I can use watercolors to do that. So I'm going to bring those. I'm bringing some watercolor paper. I'm bringing my Tim Holtz mixed media board, and I love that it comes in a traveling thing. I'll probably put this in between my pages, my page kits, so that it's safer. And then I'm bringing paintbrushes. I mean, it comes in the bag, so I'll just bring whatever's in there because it's going to fit in that other bag there. So basically, I'm going to have this, right? This, that, and then that big bag, and then that big container that I showed last time that I have my page kits in. Oh, and here's the washi tape. There's a little pocket under here, and I just shove that right in there. It fits perfectly. Of course, I should have done that while it was empty and not full. But it's got a little zipper there. And I zip that up. Oh, and of course, I'm bringing my trimmer. I kept the box for it, and it's the perfect way to carry my trimmer, my Caterpillar crop. And that's it. That is everything I'm bringing. And when I come back, I'll be sharing with you all the pages that I made during my crop. So I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.